Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Y, Z, H, ABCD parameter to solve this circuit. First of all, we are going to solve Z parameter. In this circuit, there are three loops I1 and current flowing are I1, I2 and I3. The resistance given are 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm and 4 ohm. For Z parameter, V1 is by using mesh analysis, V1 is equal to 2I1 minus 2I3 plus 61I1 plus 62I2. V1 is equal to 63I1 plus 62I2 minus 2I3. V2 is equal to 3I2 plus 3I3 plus 61I2 plus 61I1. Now V2 is equal to 61I1 plus 64I2 plus 3I3. Now in third loop 0 equal to 4I3 plus 2I3 minus 2I1 plus 3I3 plus 3I2. 0 equal to minus 20 minus 2I1 plus 3I2 plus 9I3. Now I3 is equal to 2I1 divided by 9 minus 3 by 9I2. Put I3 0.22 I1 minus 0.33 I2 in equation A and B. We get V1 is equal to 63 I1 plus 62 I2 minus 2 in bracket 0.22 I1 minus 0.33 I2. V1 is equal to 63 I1 plus 61 I2 minus 0.44 I1 plus 0.66 I2. Now we get V1 as 62.56 I1 plus 61.66 I2. Now we are going to see V2. We get V2 is equal to 61 I1 plus 64 I2 plus 3 I3. Now V3 is V2 we get 61.66 I1 plus 63.01 I2. Now put these V1 and V2 in Z parameter. The formula for Z parameter is V1 upon V2 is equal to Z11 Z12 at Z21 Z22 I1 I2. Now we substitute V1 and V2 values in this matrix: 62.56, 61.66, 61.66 and 63.01. Now we are going to solve this circuit by H parameter. First of all, rewrite the equations of V1 and V2. Then equation 2, remove I to one side and substitute in equation 1. We get V2 is equal to I2 is equal to V2 minus 61.66 I1 divided by 63.01. I2 is equal to 0.0153 V2 minus 0.9786 I1. Now this substitute in equation 1 to get V1. V1 we get as 2.2195 I1 plus 0.9804 V2. Now we know the H parameter matrix V1 upon I2. In horizontal line of V1 we have to put I1 and V2 and I2 for I1 and V2. Here we get 2.2195, 0.9804 minus 0.9786, 0.100159. Now with ABCD parameter, again we write V1 and V2 equation. Then in this ABCD parameter equation 2 input rewrite take remove I1 from equation 2 and substitute in 1. We get V1, that is V1 is equal to V2 minus 63.01 I2 divided by 61.66. Now I1 is equal to 0.0162 V2 minus 1.0219 I2. Put this equation in equation number 1 to get our V1 value. We get, after putting this value, we get V1 is equal to 1.0135 I2 V2 minus 2.2701 I2. ABCD parameter is V1 upon I1 is equal to V2 upon V2 minus I2 V2 minus I2. In the second column all values are negative, that is 1.0135 minus 2.2701, 0.60162 minus 1.0219. Now Y parameter. In this first rewrite the V1 and V2 equation. Equation 1, from in equation 1 remove I1 and substitute this equation into, we get V2 and 4 rewrite, that is v1 is equal to I1. From v1 we have to remove I1, that is we have to find I1. v1 minus 61.66 I2 divided by 62.56. Now v1 is equal to 0.0160 v1, 0.9856 I2. Now this equation, third equation, put into 2 to equation number 2 to get v2, that is we get v2 as 0.9866 V1 plus 2.2379 I2. From this onwards, we have to find I2. From this equation, we have to remove I2 one side and we have to find I2. Now, after rewrite this equation and finding the values, we get I2 equal to 0.4468 V2 minus 4.4409 V1. Now, equation 2. I2 is third equation into 1, means put I2 in equation number 1 to get V1. V2 is V1. V2 is equal to 61.66 I plus 63.01 I2. Now I2 is equal to V2 minus 61.66 I1 divided by 63.01. I2 is equal to 0.0159 V2 minus 0.9786 I1. Now this I2 value put in equation number 1, we get V1 is equal to 62.56 I1 plus 61.66 I2. Now after this we have to find again V1 I1 from this equation. We get V1 minus 0.9804 V2 divided by 2.2195. At last we get value of I1, that is 0.4506. V1 minus 0.04417 V2. By Y parameter we have to write the matrix, that is I1 upon I2 is equal to V1 V2 upon V1 V2, that is 0.4506 minus 0.04417, that minus 0.4409, 0.4468. In this we have completed Z parameter, Y parameter, ABCD parameter and H parameter. Thank you.